It's the weekend again, and I decided to sneak in something quick and easy because I have guests coming over. So I made up this 20-minute Sicilian chicken, absolutely incredible. So what I have here are a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and they're pretty thick. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these in half because they fry up a whole lot easier. So I'm going to season up with some salt. Of course, my all-time favorite, some ground black pepper. Fairly generous with this. And my other favorite seasoning, some Italian. It wouldn't be Sicilian without Italian. A couple of tablespoons, or a couple of teaspoons I should say that. Of course, we're going to give these a flip and do it for the other side. Next up, I'm going to add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. About a tablespoon or two. Add our chicken in, and we're going to fry this for about 3 or 4 minutes, just until it's nicely browned on each side. After about 5 or 6 minutes, my friends, we've got some beautiful color happening here. So I'm just going to pull these out and set them aside on a plate. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add in 540 milliliters or 18 ounces of diced tomatoes, and these are Italian. I'm just going to deglaze the pan here a little bit. You don't want to touch that. All kinds of wonderful flavors happening. Next, half a cup of green and black olives. I just like combining them. You know, you can add as much or as little as you like. I just like olives. About a tablespoon of capers. Once again, you know, you can be the judge how many you like. Capers, capers. I love capers. And a good handful of spinach. And we'll just cover this up and let it simmer away for a couple of minutes until that spinach wilts down. And I should mention too, guys, if you have some frozen spinach, just let it thaw and add it in. It works too. After a few minutes, the spinach is wilted down. So I'm just going to give this a stir around, and my goodness, this smells absolutely delicious. Wow. Now the chicken back in. And don't forget those wonderful juices. And of course, spoon some of that wonderful sauce over the chicken. And just look at these colors. Isn't that gorgeous? Kill the heat, and there you have it, guys. Our simply delicious, fast and easy Sicilian chicken. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up. Oh my goodness, I can't get over the colors here. Wow. Okay guys, let's cut into this and see what we have. And just look at this. Oh my goodness. The colors, and it smells so good, and I bet you it is going to be so good. Wow. Okay, cheers my friends on the Sicilian chicken. Oh my goodness, guys. This is so good. Chicken is juicy. Love the tomatoes, love the olives, the seasoning. Just absolutely spectacular. And 25 minutes, what more can you ask for? Oh, this is so good. My guests are going to love this. As always, for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff there. Don't forget to tune in to Cook and Share Radio. All kinds of wonderful stuff happening and great music. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so because we are reaching that 1 million and it's going to be party time. Click the notification bell for all notifications. And if you like what you saw, hammer that like button. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe. And as always, see you next time.